Good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So, today I will share with you how to make money in Facebook. First one is through Facebook ads. Businesses can create and run targeted advertising campaigns on Facebook to reach their desired audience. They can make money by promoting products, services, or content and generating sales or leads. Second one is selling products on Facebook Marketplace. Individuals and businesses can list and sell products on Facebook Marketplace. It's a platform for buying and selling locally, and you can make money by selling items you no longer need or by running a small e-commerce operation. Third way is affiliate marketing. Promote products or services from other companies on your Facebook page and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral links. Fourth way is Facebook page monetization. If you have a popular Facebook page with a significant following, you can monetize it through various methods such as sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or selling your products or services. Fifth way is live streaming. Facebook allows users to live stream content. If you have engaging content, you can attract viewers and monetize your live streams through fan donations, sponsorships, or product promotions during the stream. Sixth way is Facebook groups. Build and manage a niche Facebook group with an engaged community. You can monetize it by offering premium memberships, selling digital products, or promoting affiliate links. 7. Consulting or coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can offer consulting or coaching services via Facebook. You can promote your services through your profile, a dedicated business page, or by joining relevant groups. 8. Freelancing. Use Facebook to promote your freelancing services, whether it's graphic design, writing, web development, or any other skill. You can join freelancing groups to find potential clients or use your network to seek opportunities. 9. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or templates on Facebook. You can use the Facebook Shop feature to set up a store or direct customers to your website. 10. Crowdfunding. If you have a creative project or startup idea, you can use Facebook to promote crowdfunding campaigns on platforms like Kickstarter or Indiegogo. Share your campaign with your network and encourage support. 11. Event promotion. If you're an event organizer, you can use Facebook to promote and sell tickets for events, webinars, workshops, or seminars. 12. Influencer marketing. If you have a significant following and influence on Facebook, you can collaborate with brands and get paid for promoting their products or services to your audience. 13. Facebook gaming. If you are a gamer, you can monetize your gaming content by streaming on Facebook gaming and earning money through ads, fan donations, or sponsorships. 14. Facebook Watch. Create and share high quality video content on Facebook Watch and participate in revenue sharing program if your videos gain a large following. 15. Offer social media management services. If you have expertise in social media marketing, you can offer your services to businesses looking to improve their Facebook presence. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and see you on my next video. Have a great day. Take care.